Profound Audio Manila started way back the lockdown during the pandemic. So I still now an avid collector of records. Sige po. My name is Chef Michael Navarra and I'm the owner of PK Mexican Cantina, Al Carbon Mexican Grill, and Profound Audio Manila. Profound Audio Manila started way back the lockdown during the pandemic. I was planning to put up a small restaurant, so sabi ko parang ilagay ko na lang muna yung mga records doon sa restaurant, but it became an idea naging concept siya. So people started liking it. So while they're eating our food, the Mexican food, they can play their record. So napansin ko, they started enjoying it. Well, as they say, some of our customers, they say that sanay silang makinig digitally. So they say that the vinyl record experience, they say it's much better. So yun maganda, naka-influence din kami ng other people to collect the records. Please come and join us here at Al Carbon Mexican Grill, and our other branch is Profound Audio Manila. So come visit us here at 26 Sergeant Isguera, Diliman, Quezon City.